It's a new one.
What makes it new?
It's this is the one that Titi had.
Yeah.
Gummy bear. It matches. Chaos colors.
Yeah, the colors.
Yeah.
These cups are cute.
Feels good.
Oh, I like this big old pumpkin.
Feel the butter.
No, you're not getting
I
no more
know.
butters. You rude. It'll feel better than the other one, though.
Feel this. The strawberry.
You see?
Mommy. The big strawberry.
Look at how big that dumpling box is. That one's $40. And how much is that one? That one's $50. That's 30, 40, 50.
Oh, I can't get any of them.
Yeah, I'm not buying any of those. These are $9.99. What's the difference? What's this one? Original Squishmallows. Yeah, I don't think this is the right box. Rainbow Mystery one. What's this? The Viral Mystery Dumpling.
That's the real one. Wait, is it?
I don't know. And
Yep, it's not the real one.
mystery dumpling inside. I don't know.
I like this cheese.
Fast food. What's in here? These squishies?
Is it?
I don't know. Maybe. Shit, I don't know. We had these already. She had those.
Mommy, look at it's a brown butter.
I don't think it's meant to be brown. I just think it's colored and faded. Cream puff.
Ugh. That's thanks.
All right. Where'd your brother go?
Up there.
Dills?
Wait, do that one?
We got a bunch of blind boxes.
Mommy.
Yeah, I see.
So cute.
This store. Every time we come in a store, these kids go crazy. Well, Demi does. All right.
Mommy, that's a squishy.
It's a squishy.
Look. Feel it right there. I want it. It feels nice.
It does. I actually like this.
Did you get it?
I only know. I still know. I only know.
It feels like a real. Wait, what's this? But, Mom.
Squishy butter. A pickle.
Oh. Mommy, feel it.
Yeah.
You gave me a controller.
Oh, that's cool.
Look.
A burger.
Yeah. It's a banana.
Oh, who?
A banana. It's a fuzz
I don't
ball.
like the way that looks.
It's a fuzz ball.
But look.
Wow. Right here.
A cookie?
A Dorito tablet. It comes with 2 packs. Mommy, look. It's a big pineapple.
I see.
Gooey.
He went that way. He's all the way around the other side.
Pink butter. Strawberry butter. A croissant. Ooh, Mommy, feel this.
Oh. I don't like the croissant. I like the way it feels.
Mommy,
What?
feel it. It feels like the future. Fried chicken.
Oh, that's the chicken one? Don't open it.
Look, it's a cracker.
Put it down. Now, this looks like a banana. That other one didn't.
It has a hole in it.
Oh, pineapple? That's cute.
Mommy.
Oh, this is cool.
It's a Pink.
Hola.
Tabas.
How much are these? Where you go?
Right there.
This is $30. Yeah.
Squish the baby.
I can replace your real controller for $30.
You want to make it 25?
He don't even
Don't really like it. It's a 3D.
ooh. Oh, she's cute. That looks a little, I don't know. Huh? Demi? Oh, look. Look, bud. Happy not. Demi, come over here. I can't see you, though. Hmm?
They're all bootleg. Like, look.
I know. What is that? A bird?
That's Knuckles. That's supposed to be Knuckles.
It's a bird?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's not a thing.
Oh. Okay.
Collective value. Why are we lying? What? It's
They
not
lying?
Even, it's not even. It's
I
not
saw
even
that.
color either.
That's the one you was looking at for Daddy. Okay, put it back on that side. Take it and put it back. Take your ass back around here and put it like I told you. She finna get messed up. Did you put it back? Now come on over here where I can see you.
Sorry.
No, you gotta start listening. You got the carrier upside down. Poor baby.
Sorry, I didn't know.